Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start our chapter 5, which is a chapter of UT2. And after some time, when we will be doing the notebook work, at that time I'll make you write the syllabus so that you would be having a syllabus for UT and term and you can note down it. But we'll be writing it when we'll be doing the notebook work, okay? So today what we are going to start, we are going to start a chapter that is editing text in Word 2010. Archit, please sit properly while taking your class. I want you to sit properly in your class. Vian and Ripunjay, make your video visible. I want to see your faces. Okay, so now editing text in Word 2010. That is, we will be studying today MS Word. First of all, I would like to tell you the proper way to open MS Word. That is, you have to click on the start button. See, this is your start button. You have to click on your start button. After that, you have to go on Microsoft Office, and after that you have to click on Microsoft Word. I would like to repeat it. What you have to do, you have to click on start button, then you have to click on Microsoft Office, and then you have to click on Microsoft Word. This is the application on which we are going to work today. This was the way to open a MS Word starting Word 2010. Now let's talk about something common, like few things. What are they? This is known as a title bar. The topmost bar is known as the title bar. The title bar is placed on the top of the word. It displays the document name by the program name. Means why it is known as title bar? Because it is the topmost bar. Ripunja, I think you need to be attentive in the class and stop moving your camera here and there. Okay? With it, I would like to tell you that title bar is the topmost bar and on it document name is written. Okay? Now, here on the left side, you are having a quick access toolbar. Where my mouse is moving, this is quick access toolbar. What is quick access toolbar? It is placed on the top left of the word. It contains the button for save, undo and redo. This is save option, this is undo option, and this is redo option. Quick access bar contains three things, which is save, undo and redo. Ananya, sit properly. Don't lie down on your cushion. Sit properly. After that, your thing is ribbon. What is the ribbon? This whole area where ma'am's cursor is moving is known as ribbon. Archit, check your network connections. Because from ma'am's side, the voice is going absolutely okay. So the area which is on which ma'am's mouse is moving, this area is known as ribbon. On ribbon, it contains several tabs like file, home, insert, पेज लेआउट, रेफरेंस, मेलिंग, रिव्यू, व्यू, और जिस भी टैब पे आप क्लिक करोगे उसके फीचर्स ओपन हो जाएंगे. सी द फीचर्स आर चेंजिंग. दैट मीन्स the ribbon changes when you click on the some other tab. Now let's go for file tab. This is the file tab, or you can say office button, because earlier it was you can say it file also or office also. You have new, open, save as options there. With it we come to the ruler. This is the ruler. See, 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What is written? This is known as ruler. This is known as ruler. And the area where we write is known as working area. The area where we write is known as working area. See, here below it is written page 1 of 1, word 0, English. If I'll write something, see, here it is written word 1, I have written something else, here it is written word 2. See, it is changing. I'll write the chapter name, editing in Word 2010. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 words are there and it is showing me 4 words. So it shows the status. What it shows? It shows the status. ये बताता है कितने words लिख लिए, कितने पेज यूज हुए हैं, कौन सी लैंग्वेज लिख रहे हैं. We are writing English, so it will show us the status. Dishika, from my side again, my voice is absolutely okay. I have checked my volume also. It is completely fine, bacha. Use earphones while taking the class so that you are using the earphone, Dishika. Okay. Okay, now try, Dishika. Now you are able to hear my voice properly. Okay, good. Now the next thing is, this is a scroll bar. See, this is a scroll bar from where you can scroll the page. See, my page is scrolling. This is known as scroll bar, and this is a zoom slider. See, I am not able to see it. My page size will increase. This is a zoom slider. मैं कितना बड़ा करना चाहूँ या कितना छोटा करना चाहूँ, that I can do according to my things. So these are the things which we have to study. Now let's see. The topic is entering text in a document. For example, I am writing entering the text in a document. Now it is very small in size. So what I would do, I will select it, go on home tab and increase the size. See, now it is increased in size. For example, I have to do T capital. I will just click on it and I can do it. So this is called entering a text. बस आपको कीबोर्ड से प्रेस करना है, words लिखने हैं and it would enter. Select and edit the text. For example, मुझे ये word जो है मैंने गलत लिख दिया और इसे मुझे दोबारा से लिखना है, तो मैं इसको select करूंगी और इसको change भी कर सकती हूँ. See, you have to just select it and then you can do editing. This is called editing. If I have to change a word, I have to click on the word. See, just I am here, I'll double click here and the word is selected. मुझे पूरा sentence select करना है, then I'll be going with my eye and I'll select it. Similarly, you can select the entire document by clicking on Control A. So this is your topic. Now let's see, I want to move this topic. I'll select it. ये मैंने गलत place पे लिख दिया, मैंने इसको select करा और Control X कर दिया, मेरा text चला गया. मुझे इसे यहाँ place करना है तो मैंने Control V कर दिया, मेरा document आ गया. It is called moving and copying. मैंने क्या किया, पहले कट कर दिया और फिर पेस्ट कर दिया. कट की शॉर्टकट की मैम ने आपको बताई थी, दैट वाज कंट्रोल प्लस एक्स, and for pasting the shortcut key is control plus V. Okay, now for example I have to delete it. I'll just click on the backspace or delete key and I'll delete it. See, this is deleted. Okay, now for example मैंने इसको गलत delete कर दिया, I don't want it to delete it, तो मैं क्या करूंगी, मैं यहाँ से जाके undo कर दूंगी. See, ये undo हो रहा है, एक एक वर्ड अंडू हो रहा है. मैम इसमें अंडू क्लिक कर रही हैं और सब कुछ अंडू हो गया, लेकिन मैम को अगर रीडू करना है तो मैम ने रीडू कर दिया. दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ अंडू एंड रीडू. Now I'll write the spelling of document wrong. मैम ने document की spelling wrong लिख दी. See, red light is coming. This red line means कि spelling is wrong. Then give a right click and see spelling is here. What I have to write, I can select that spelling and spelling is correct. I hope this much things are clear to you.